semi-trailer ABS light not coming on when turning the ignition on. And the problem is very simple. You just disconnect it, and as you can see, the connector is corroded and the pin is broken inside. So we'll need a new light, because as you can see it has one pin but the second one is broken because of corrosion. So we're gonna replace the light, and we'll try to clean it. If it doesn't work, the connector, we're gonna replace it. I was able to remove a broken pin. Now we're gonna try to connect a new light and see if it works. This is our broken one. I just got a new one. I'm gonna install it now and test the ABS. Temporarily connected the light. Now we're gonna turn on the ignition, see if it lights up. Connected the light, but it barely lights up because, as you can see, there's a lot of corrosion inside. So I wasn't able to find a connector like this, but they all have problems with the water getting inside. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna use two female connectors like this, and I'm gonna use a round light like this with male connectors. And this should be good because these connectors, I rarely see them rusted because the water doesn't get inside. So you install this rubber piece first, and after the rubber piece you install the light. First connector, second connector, and you can use a little bit of lubrication so it's gonna slide easier inside. I just connected the wiring. Now we're gonna do the test to see if it works, if we don't need to replace the wirings, because on the LED lights it matters how you connect the plus and minus. So just make sure it's all good. Now it's working, but it's staying on, so we need to drive it for a while to see if it turns off. If it's gonna turn off, the ABS is working. If it's not gonna go off, it means we have one more problem. I'm gonna install this protection cover on the wiring, and after we're gonna go for a test drive. If the light is not gonna go off, we'll see what the next problem is. This is how our wiring looks right now on the ABS light. Basically what happens when you turn on the ignition, the ABS module on the trailer is doing a self-test. So if the light comes on, it means the power supply to the ABS module is good. And if the lights after this goes off, it means the self-test was done and everything is working. Once you start driving, it should stay off.